Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Marvel app. First, download and install the Marvel app on your device. Once installed, open the app and create a new account or login if you already have one. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate. You'll find options to start a new project, import designs, and manage your existing work right from the home screen. This initial setup is quick, getting you ready to design in just a few moments. To design your first prototype, start a new project and select your desired device, like an iPhone 15 or a web browser. Next, upload your design screens. You can import images directly from your computer or cloud services. Once your screens are in, drag and drop them into the project area. Then, add interactive hotspots to link screens, simulating button clicks or swipes. This process brings your static designs to life, making them feel like a real app. The Marvel app excels at collaboration. You can easily invite team members to your project by entering their email addresses. Once invited, they can view, comment, or even edit, depending on the permissions you set. Sharing your prototype with stakeholders is simple. Just generate a public link. This link allows anyone to view your interactive design on any device, gathering valuable feedback efficiently. It streamlines the review process, ensuring everyone is on the same page. After creating your prototype, thorough testing is crucial. Test your design on different devices, such as a tablet or a smartphone, to ensure it looks and functions perfectly across all platforms. Use the in-app comment features to gather specific feedback from testers and team members. This iterative process allows you to quickly make adjustments and refine your design based on real user interactions. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals to enhance your daily drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.